we got a vintage Otis. Do not let this call button fool you. So look at this. Down's locked. Awesome, listen to the relay. And it's got a beeper now this time. And it wants to shut. It's got the old bumper. Look what we have here. Vintage Otis black button. Look, this looks like this button is coming off. Oh my gosh, look at this. This button right here is falling apart. See? There's your COP right here. ADA phone. We're gonna have a great motor on this. All right, here we go. Single speed traction. That beeper is annoying. All right, listen to this thing. Here we go. It appears to be bottom drive. Yep, single speed bottom drive. All right, let's close up the door. All right, listen, here we go. Look in the ceiling, who do you see? High. Why do they install a beeper on there? Whoa! My gosh, this thing stops so hard. So there's your Otis nameplate. Let me open this thing up again. Get a much better picture of that Otis nameplate down there. Look at this. It's got the old bumper. Watch. That glare is like reflecting the camera screen. Again, I love these fixtures. This is one of my favorite elevators in downtown Dallas. But we're going up. I think we're gonna pick somebody up. We're just gonna catch somebody and get out of here. You can come in. I'm just an elevator photographer, as you can see.
I worked for ThyssenKrupp for 15 years.
Oh, you do?
I did.
Oh, you did? Oh, wow, I didn't know that. Cool. Whoa, listen.
Services division.
Oh, yeah.
Different from
You need
me.
help with that?
No, I got it.
Oh, you got it? All right, you take care and have a good day, sir.
Dude,
I'm just appreciating this oldie here. This is
it is an old one.
installed in 1955.
Yep.
All right, and that's it.